Hello everyone, I am Disha Sharma from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research, Indore, from the Department of Information Technology. Today our topic is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language. JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted programming language, so there is no need of compiler. It is designed for creating network-centric application. Network-centric applications mean applications that communicate through the open and wide area networks like the internet. It is complementary to and integrated with Java, like invoking applet methods from the JavaScript code and invoking JavaScript code from an applet. JavaScript is a very easy to implement because it is integrated with HTML and it is open and cross-platform. So why to learn JavaScript? So when we use JavaScript, there is no need of compiler. Since JavaScript is an interpreted language, therefore it does not need any compiler or for compilations. Use both client and server side. Earlier JavaScript was used to build client side applications only, but with the evolutions of its framework like React.js, Node.js, Express.js, it is widely used for building a server side applications too. Help us to build complete solution. As we saw, JavaScript is widely used both client and server side application, therefore it will help us to build an end-to-end solution to a given problem. Used everywhere, JavaScript is so like because it can be used anywhere. It can be used to develop website, games, mobile application, etc. Use community support. JavaScript has a use community of users and mentors who like this language and take it legacy forward. Construction of Java. The basic part of JavaScript is variable, literals, and objects. Then the other are operators, control structure, methods. Method are special kinds of function. Events. Events are used to detect an action. Advantages of JS. JS is a very fast speed, simple to learn, versatile, reduces the server load. There are some limitations in JavaScript. Uh, so security issues and dependency on browser. Dependency on browser because some browser not support JavaScript. JS syntax. JS syntax is refers to a set of rules that determines how language will be written by the programmer and interpreted by the browser. JavaScript code is written in between script opening tag and slash script is a closing tag. So all code of JavaScript is written between opening and closing tag. JavaScript program is a sequence of JavaScript statement. So what is JavaScript statement? A JS statement is a program to do things. JS statements are separated by semicolons and semicolons are optional. Example JS example where x equal 5. In the above statement, declare variable x and assign a value to it. JS ignores spaces, tabs, new lines that appears in JS programs. Part of JS statements. The part of JS statements are values, operators, expressions, keywords, comments. So what is JS values? The JS syntax define two types of value. First is fixed values and second one is variable values. Fixed values are called literals and variable values are called variables. JS literals are two types. First is numbers and second one is string. Numbers are written with or without decimals, and string that is text written in single quotes or double quotes. Here we are taking some example 10.25, 1.7 or 45 and 20 etc. Here in string we taking example with single quote written as Mark or John written as double quotes. JS variable. JS variable are used to store data values. JS uses var keyword to declare variables. JS is case sensitive language. An equal sign is used to assign value to variable. Example, here we are taking var y and we are assigning 10 to y with equal operator. JS comments. Comments are ignored and will not be executed by browser. JS has two kinds of comments. First is single line comments and second one is multi-line comments. Single line comment are used for a single line and multi-line comment are used for a multiple line. JS operator, an assignment operator equal to assign variables, an arithmetic operator plus, minus, multiplication and division to compute the value. For example, where here we are defining where x equals to 8 minus 5 into 3. So here equal is assignment operator, and value is computed using arithmetic operation like operator like minus and multiplication. Where to put JavaScript code in HTML documents? JavaScript code in body or head. Script can be placed inside the body or the head section of the HTML page, or inside both head and or body. JavaScript in head. A JavaScript function is placed inside the head section of a HTML page. The function is invoked when the button is clicked. Placing JS in HTML. Two types. There are two types of JS. First is internal, second one is external. First, head section, body section, both head and body section. We can took internal JS in head body or head body both. For external JS, script in external file save with .js extension and then include in head. Here the example of internal JS, we are writing function first function, and when user click on button, so it will call the function first. So external JS, create script in external file with JS extension, place the script tag in head, call the file in src attributes of script tag, used when you are reusing identical JavaScript code on multiple pages of a site. Script tag provide mechanism to allow you to store a JavaScript in an external file and then include it into HTML files. External JavaScript with .js extension. Here we are taking .js file with function to use an external script. Put the name of a script file in the src attribute. Here we are adding script tag and calling the JS file with the src attributes. JS development tools are Notepad, Notepad++, Eclipse, Microsoft Visual Studio, NetBeans, Sublime Text, TextMate, Komodo Edit. JavaScript, so there are many useful JavaScript frameworks and libraries available like Angular, React.js, jQuery, Vue, Extension.js, Ember.js, Meteor.js, Mithril, Node.js, Polymer, Aurelia, Backbone.js. It is really impossible to give a complete list of all available JavaScript frameworks and libraries. The JavaScript world is just too large and too much new happening. Application of JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most widely used programming language. It has its presence in almost every area of software development. I am going to list few of them here. So client-side validation, they are really important to verify any user input before submitting it to server, and JavaScript plays important role in validating those input from front-end itself. Manipulating HTML file. JavaScript helps in manipulating HTML page on the fly. This helps us to adding and deleting HTML tag very easily using JavaScript, and modify your HTML to change look, feel based on different devices and requirement. User notification. You can use JavaScript to raise dynamic pop-ups on the web page to give a different type of notification to website visitors. Backend data loading. JavaScript provides an Ajax library which helps us to loading backend data while you are doing some other processing. This really gives us amazing experience to your website visitors. Presentations. JavaScript also provides the facility of creating presentation which gives the website look and feel. JavaScript provides React.js and Bespoke.js libraries to build web-based site presentations. Server-side application. Node.js is built on Chrome JavaScript runtime for building a fast and scalable network application. This is an event-based library which helps in developing very sophisticated server application, including web servers. This list goes on. There are various areas where millions of software developers and happily use JavaScript to develop a great website or other softwares.